In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do now that personal GPTs and Microsoft Copilot are deprecated. Here's the bottom line up front. You can't create personal GPTs in Microsoft Copilot anymore. The feature, called the GPT Builder, was officially retired on July 14th, 2024. If you used to rely on a Copilot Pro subscription to spin up custom Copilot GPTs through the conversational wizard, that path is no longer available. I'll walk you through what that change means, what still works, and how to move forward without losing momentum. First, understand the impact. Personal GPTs were great for packaging instructions, style, and specific tasks into a reusable assistant. With the retirement, those custom builds won't be editable or recreatable inside Copilot Pro. The core Copilot experience remains, but you'll now guide it with prompts rather than a saved, shareable custom GPT profile. If you're in a business or enterprise environment, there is still a powerful option: custom agents within Microsoft 365. These agents are designed for organizational use, with governance, permissions, and data connections your IT team can manage. Depending on your plan and admin settings, you may be able to build or request an agent that taps into your company's data sources, follows compliance rules, and automates workflows at scale. If you're unsure whether you have access, check with your administrator about your Microsoft 365 licensing and whether your tenant has enabled the relevant capabilities. If you previously built personal GPTs, don't let that work go to waste. Preserve your best system prompts, instructions, and examples. You can reuse them as prompt templates inside regular Copilot chats, or provide them as a starting brief when collaborating with your IT team on a managed agent. Clear, well-structured prompts still go a long way. Define the role, set the tone, outline the task, and include examples of ideal output. For solo creators or teams outside Microsoft 365's enterprise features, consider alternative tools for custom AI experiences. Look for platforms that let you define instructions, connect to your data safely, and control privacy. Always review pricing, data retention, and security policies before you commit. A quick tip to stay productive: build a small library of reusable prompts for your common tasks: content drafting, data cleanup, brainstorming, or summarization. Label them clearly and refine them over time. Even without a personal GPT builder, a good prompt library restores much of the speed and consistency you're used to. To recap, personal Copilot GPTs are gone, but your options aren't. Use prompt templates for everyday work, explore enterprise agents if you're in Microsoft 365, and vet alternative tools when you need deeper customization.